This video is just for education purpose.
Hey traders, welcome back to my new video. Here you can see on my screen one of my 100 challenge, which is one phase. If you watch my previous video, I was updated on my 10k one step 100 challenge that I started and the status, but the challenge was failed due to some mistakes. Actually, I was in profit 3%. Here you can see my last account, which is breached by mistake. I was in good in this account. And also you can see still there have enough balance to continue trade, but I made a silly mistakes. So what was the mistakes? It was about the daily drawdown calculation. I was following the MT5 balance that I have remaining $400 to lose. So keep in mind that I started trading and I lost $350 on that day. Then I stopped trading. I thought I will never trade until tomorrow. I have enough balance to go positive again. But suddenly I received an email from Bullwaves Prime that my account has breached due to daily drawdown limit hit. So I was astonished. Strange. Then I checked the dashboard and here is showing I lose 450. Where is my daily drawdown limit is 400. So I exceed the daily drawdown limit, but I was following the MT5 balance where I was under the limit. I was shocked, and then immediately I contact their support on the live chat and they said I hit daily drawdown limit. To be honest, their support is very quick and fast and they replied almost immediately. So they explained me well. I understand that I have to follow the dashboard metrics. So I forgot to check the dashboard. I just opened my MT5 and start trading. This was my mistake, but they understand. I tried to convince them that yes, of course I made mistake and I wanted to, they give me another account and they gave, which is I'm trading on that. So here you can see another account and I am down 1.5%. I traded 3 days. Also, I was 2% plus on the first day, but on the other day, I was 5% down. Here you can see, I was 5% down. But last day on Friday, I recovered most of them and now I still behind 1.5%. I hope I will recover this soon on the next week. Here you can see, I have to hit target 10%, which is 1000 and I have to complete 10 trading days. So that's why I traded today on BTC and also I will trade tomorrow on BTC just for day count, not for profit. Today's trade, I was placed a trade on BTC and lose $10. It's just for day count actually. So this is a very good prop firm I got and I'm going again and again with this prop firm. Their rules and terms and conditions is very user friendly. If you want to know about their rules, go to my channel and check my channel's previous video, which is this one actually. If you watch this video, you will know about their all the terms and conditions and all about this prop firm. This is a broker backed book prop firm and I think they provides real balance because their server name is Bullwaves Live. They never mentioned anywhere. I just guess. This is not simulated fund. This is live fund, I think. So this is a high quality and regulated broker backed prop firm. That's why I'm trading with this prop firm again and again. And this was the quick update of my funded challenge journey that I'm sharing regular basis with you guys. In very soon, there will be giveaway opportunity with some other firms. So like this video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel to get quick updates and free funded challenge opportunity. I will explain my strategy and all of my trade setups on the other videos. So keep following me. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.